Today, on this fertile ground in Anwara, strategically situated on the east bank of historic Karnafuli River, we are not simply turning over a shovel of earth. We are breaking ground on a new chapter of industrial transformation for Bangladesh. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you at the formal groundbreaking ceremony of the Chinese Economic and Industrial Zone. This moment is culminated of a shared vision, persistent dedication, and high-level bilateral commitment tracing back to foundational agreements under the Belt and Road Initiative and reaffirmed in our recent joint communique. Today, that shared vision becomes a physical reality. Ladies and gentlemen, this landmark project stands as a testament to the enduring bond of friendship, mutual trust, and a strategic partnership between Bangladesh and the People's Republic of China, developed under a government-to-government G2G framework. CEIZ represents a collaborative, long-term approach to foreign direct investment through a 50 plus 50-year concession. China has long been a trusted partner in our nation's infrastructure development. Now, through this G2G partnership, we are taking our economic cooperation deeper into industrial production, global supply chains, technology transfer, and skills development. China has been long-lasting friendship with Bangladesh since 1975. First, they were a development partner, then the investment partner. Now, you are the strategic partner of Bangladesh. To our partners at China Road and Bridge Corporation, we extend our warmest welcome. CRBC brings world-class expertise in engineering and infrastructure development. We trust that your leadership will make CEIZ a benchmark for green, modern, and efficient industrial zones across South Asia. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Ministry of Home Affairs, I assure all investors, enterprises, and stakeholders that our law enforcement and security agencies will maintain a robust, safe, and stable environment. We will ensure secure transport corridors and streamlined operational safety across all phases of the project. To our foreign and domestic investors, let me be clear, Bangladesh is open for business, and we mean business. Under the leadership of Bangladesh Export Zone Authority, Economic Zone Authority, BEZA, we are cutting through red tape and building a streamlined, business-friendly environment. With our one-stop service center, investors in CEIZ will experience faster clearances, seamless utility connections, and administrative support at every step. The government of Bangladesh stands fully committed to ensuring the safety, stability, and growth of your investments. We will ensure that every promise made under this G2G arrangement is delivered on time with transparency